In today's video, I have a really exciting sale to share with you guys. You guys know that this time of year is my time to stock up on my skincare. So today I'm going to talk about SkinBeautiful Rx. By the way, I already have my cart loaded up and ready to go. I think I'm going to try some new things this year. So I'm going to need your help too. If there's anything that you recommend, if there's some things that you are a fan of that you really like, please let me know in the comments below because I would like to check some things out. And I'll kind of tell you what I have in my cart right now too as well. So now some people got I think some people got a head start on this too. If you are on their email list, I think the sale started a little bit early, but the sale goes until the end of the month, by the way. All right. So there's different tiers depending on how much you spend. First tier, if you purchase over $100 after the discount, then you're going to get the Neogenesis Intensive Moisturizer. So you get that, all right? If you spend a little bit more money, which you will. I mean, I know I never just spend $100 at these sales. Tier 2 gift with purchase is orders over $2.99 after the discount. You're going to get the Truth Treatments Mineral Mist. You're going to get the Transdermal C Serum. You're going to get the Intensive Moisturizer, and you're also going to get Replenix Anti-Aging. Haven't tried that. So that's what that is. So it's after the discount. That's what you get. Now with the tier 3, now this is $5.99 and over, you're going to get the Elastin Restorative Skin Complex. Haven't tried that. You're going to get the Neogenesis Barrier Renewal Cream. You're going to get the Truth Treatments, and I believe it's the C Serum. You're going to get the Replenix Anti-Aging. You're going to get the Biometric Mineral Mist. You're going to get the Neogenesis Intensive Moisturizer. You're going to get the Replenix Anti-Aging. It's the one that I should share. Okay, I'm going to show you the picture of it. And then you're going to get the DEJ Daily Boosting Serum, which I haven't tried that. I have tried a lot from that brand, but I don't think I've tried that. A really nice gift with purchases. Now, here's the thing. Once things are gone, they're gone. So when the gift with purchase runs out, then it's out, okay? But I like getting these little gift with purchases because so many times I will try something and I will end up really liking the product. So I discover something new because it was gifted to me in one of these. So I really love this. And like I said, I'm always usually the time of the year that I need to start stocking up on my stuff. So you get a discount plus you get a gift with purchase. So I'm going to show you my shopping cart, by the way, too. I'm still not sure what I'm going to get for sure. Maybe you guys will give me some ideas. So here we go. So one of the things is the Leah Collagen Peptide Serum. I've not tried anything out from that brand, but I'm really interested in trying that. And you can see the next thing I have, the PCA X-Linea Peptide Soothing Serum. Again, I don't need to get all these peptides, so I'm just deciding which one to get. Have you tried either one of those? I'm going to zoom it in so you can see. I have not tried that. The next thing I'm looking at is this. This is the Scopula Promoter Repair Eye and Lip. Haven't tried that. Anything from that brand. I'd like to try, because you guys know that I also shop at Freeze Beauty also. So I try to get things like from Freeze Beauty that I can't get from Leah's, and then from vice versa. Okay, that's what I try to do. And then there's also the Scopula Cavilla. I can't even pronounce it. Serum. I'm going to show you this. It's hard to see because it's kind of making it blurry, but I was going to try that. called, I'm going to show you this so you can see what it looks like. See what it says? Yeah, so I'm thinking about trying that. And also the Lemieux TGFB booster. Thinking about that. So I'm not sure. I don't know what to get in here. I don't know. I don't want to get too much because the thing of it is, first off, I don't want to get like all the same stuff. You know what I mean? So I want to decide what I want to get. Secondly, I don't want to get, I want, like, if there's things that, like, these are new things that I'm trying. And when it comes to replenishing things, I know how long it takes me to go through things. So then I make sure I get enough of certain things. Okay. But I don't want to get so many things to try out that it goes bad either. I did that one year. I bought like a whole bunch of skincare to test out. It took me forever to get through it. And then I was like using extra just to get through it. I don't want to do that, especially at that price point. So let me know if you've tried any of these. Let me know in the comments below so I can check them out. But I just wanted to give you a heads up on the sale because, like I said, this is the time of the year that I get really, really excited about this sale. I'm trying to think when this is going to go out. I think this is going to go out probably before Christine's video, I think. She has a really, really good sale too. I'm going to tell you that. She has a really good sale. Her gift with purchase is amazing. And she also has a bundle that she's offering that my mind is blown. That's all I'm going to tell you. If you are a fan of Truth Treatments, you're going to want to check out her sale. Just a little FYI. Okay, so it's a little teaser for that. But I wanted to pop in and share this because this one has already gone live. So I wanted to get this out to you guys. So you will hear about Christine's. It is coming up, her sale, and it's a really, really good one. And I'm going to need your help with that one too. There's things that I'm replenishing, but I'm also thinking about trying some new things. So anyways, we'll get to that video soon, but just want to give you a heads up on this. This time of year, it gets kind of crazy. I hope that you're on my community page. If you are not, I think what I might do, because there's going to be a lot of sales coming up, if I can't get to, I don't want to make a video, like a long video on everything. And I haven't heard about all the sales, but I know BK Beauty's going to have a sale. Refer's going to have a sale. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my community page as well. So I wanted to do a video on this because I feel like there's more to talk about. I hope that you're following my community page. I think I'll try to put it on my Instagram too. I think that's what I'll do. I think I'll do it on Instagram. I'm going to do Instagram and I'll put it on my community page and give you a heads up if any sales come up. I'm only going to post the sales though that I feel like are really, you guys know, I don't like post every single sale that comes out. I don't. I didn't even talk about the Sephora sale. I didn't. It's not that I don't like Sephora. It was just, and I actually bought some things. I just don't post at every single sale. I just don't. I will post on some Sephora sales. If they have another one before Christmas, I may do that. I might pop in here and do a video. But I don't want to do every sale. I get excited about these two sales. And Refer too, of course, I get excited about that sale as well. The brushes are amazing. BK Beauty, again, has one coming up. So like the really, really good sales, those are the ones that I want to promote. And especially since all of those, they're all small businesses. They're all small businesses. So, Sephora is a big company. They're small businesses. So I really like to promote the small businesses first before the big businesses sometimes too. Anyways, let me know in the comments again what you're planning on getting. Let me know if you have any recommendations. I may check it out as, for myself. And if you've tried these things that I've mentioned, do you like them? Do you not like them? Are they worth it? Let me know, and then I can decide what I'm going to get. Usually I get the Is Clinical. I still have some of my cleanser left. I still have my revision. I think I have two of them. I think I have two of them for my lines that I use. So I'm just looking for something else. I want to try something else. So let me know in the comments. Anyways, I've chatted long enough. Thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed our time together today. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I show new videos every single week. I talk about skincare, makeup. We talk about, I talk about makeup tips. I do reviews. I do a little bit of everything. So it's not like every video is like, a sale or something. I'm not like that. Okay. So I really would love to have you join. And before you leave, please do me a huge favor. Please make sure you like, share, and comment on this video because it It really helps my channel a lot, and I would truly appreciate it. And for all of you that are new here, welcome. So glad to have you here. And to all my OGs, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for your support. It really means so much to me. I truly appreciate it. I will catch you guys all on my next video. Bye.